In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the personal list feature in ClickUp. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or new to ClickUp, organizing your tasks effectively is the key to staying on top of your workload. The personal list is a fantastic feature that allows you to manage your private tasks in one centralized space, making it easier to focus on what matters most. Let's dive in, and I'll guide you through every step to get started. First things first, log into your ClickUp account. If you're new to ClickUp, it's an all-in-one productivity platform designed to help you manage your tasks, projects, and workflows. If you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Once you're logged in, look over to the sidebar on your screen there. You'll see a menu. Click on the option labeled Home to access your home screen. This is where you can get a quick overview of everything you're working on within ClickUp. Now, within the home screen, locate an area called My Tasks. This section is specifically designed to display all your personal assignments. Once you've found it, click on My Tasks to open your dashboard of assignments. You'll notice that this dashboard is where your tasks are organized for easy access and management. At the top of the My Tasks section, you'll see something labeled Personal List. This is what we're focusing on today. The Personal List is your private task area where you can add and manage tasks that are just for you. Click into the Personal List to open it. Now that you're inside your personal list, it's time to start adding tasks. You can do this by typing directly into the list. Simply click in the empty space provided and start typing the name or description of your task. It's that easy. After you've added a task, you can customize it to fit your needs. Set a due date by selecting a date from the calendar. Add notes to include any important details, or attach files if there are any resources you need to complete the task. This flexibility makes the personal list a powerful tool for managing your individual workload. If for any reason the personal list doesn't appear immediately when you open My Tasks, don't worry, simply refresh the page, and it should load correctly. This is sometimes necessary when there are updates or changes within the platform. And that's it. You now know how to use the personal list feature in ClickUp. It's a simple and effective way to keep your private tasks organized and accessible. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.